Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the beauty products that promise to elevate your routine. Today, we're talking about a serum that many beauty enthusiasts swear by, Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Face Serum. This iconic product is designed to hydrate, rejuvenate, and improve the overall texture and appearance of the skin. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. This product is a multi-benefit face serum formulated with a blend of powerful ingredients. Key features include hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, peptides for anti-aging, and a proprietary night peptide complex. The serum claims to deliver smoother, more even-toned skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and is free from synthetic fragrances, making it gentle enough for even the most delicate skin. I've had the chance to incorporate this serum into my evening skincare routine for the past few weeks, and I've really been focusing on how it performs across different skin conditions. From dry patches to slightly irritated areas from environmental stress, this serum has felt incredibly soothing. The texture is lightweight yet hydrating, sinking into the skin quickly without leaving any greasy residue. You'll notice that your skin feels plumper right away, thanks to the high concentration of hyaluronic acid. But don't expect a heavy, sticky feeling. This one leaves your skin feeling fresh and rejuvenated, ready for your moisturizer. One thing I really appreciated about this serum is the noticeable difference in skin texture. After consistent use, my skin feels smoother, as if the fine lines around my eyes and forehead have been softened. It doesn't claim to erase wrinkles completely, but it definitely works to reduce their visibility. It also promotes an even skin tone, which is great if you struggle with discoloration or dullness. Let's get into the pros and cons, starting with the positives. First, the serum is incredibly lightweight, so you won't feel like you're piling on product, which is ideal for layering with other treatments. Its hydrating properties are undeniable, and it's suitable for all skin types, especially for those who are worried about irritation. I've also noticed that the formula absorbs very quickly, making it perfect for those who are on the go or like a quick skincare routine. Now, let's talk about the cons. While this serum is hydrating, I wouldn't call it a miracle worker for deeply dry skin. It's perfect for a maintenance routine, but if you're really battling severe dehydration or very dry skin, you may need something richer. The price tag could also be a bit of a downside. It's not exactly budget-friendly, so you'll want to weigh whether the performance justifies the cost in your specific case. In terms of value for money, Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair does deliver impressive results, particularly in terms of hydration and smoothness. The formula is high-end, and the brand's reputation speaks for itself in terms of research and product development. But if you're someone who's looking for a more affordable option with similar benefits, there are alternatives that offer hydration and anti-aging properties without the hefty price tag. When comparing it to other high-end serums on the market, Estée Lauder holds its ground with its unique blend of peptides and hydrating agents. However, there are other brands with similar formulations at a slightly lower price point, so keep that in mind if you're working with a budget. On the topic of build quality, Estée Lauder has nailed it. The packaging is sleek and feels luxurious. The dropper is easy to use, and the glass bottle ensures that the product stays safe and well preserved. The serum itself maintains its potency, and I appreciate that it doesn't degrade easily, which is a common issue with some delicate ingredients. Now, customer support is always a key factor when considering any brand, and while I haven't needed to interact directly with Estée Lauder's customer service, the brand is known for being responsive to inquiries and addressing concerns quickly. They also offer a robust return policy, which adds an extra layer of confidence when purchasing. As for product updates, Estée Lauder continuously works on improving formulations, but nothing major has changed recently with this product. That being said, if you're new to the serum, rest assured it's the same trusted formula that's been delivering results for years. For those looking for alternatives, you might want to check out products like the Lancôme Advanced Genifique Serum or the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Both offer similar benefits in terms of hydration and skin texture improvement, but at a different price point. If budget is a concern, you might find the Ordinary Buffet Serum a great option for hydration and anti-aging. So, does Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Face Serum live up to its claims? Yes, it does. The results are subtle yet noticeable, with smoother, more radiant skin over time. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to maintain youthful, hydrated skin without heavy or greasy formulas. However, if you're on the lookout for an affordable option or need more intensive hydration, you may want to explore alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Your experiences could help others. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.